What is a noun? A noun is a word that names a thing, a person, an animal, a place, or an idea. Things like sifter, milk pan, gravy ladle, and whisk are all nouns. Same with man, baker, and boy. Also, places like street, town hall, and train station. Again, noun names all things and ideas. So love, thought, company, and dinner are nouns too. They are names of ideas that cannot be touched. We call these nouns abstract nouns. A basic noun is very easy to spot in a sentence. Just remember, if it's a name of something, whether concrete or abstract, it's a noun. To easily identify the word, just ask, is this a name of something or not? If it's a name, it's a noun. Take a look at the following sentences and try to observe which of the words agree with our definition of a noun. The story depends on the teller. If you think story and teller are nouns, you're right. Story is an abstract noun. And teller is a concrete noun. Now, try the following sentences. The grapes of disappointment are always sour. Remember, if it's a name of something, whether concrete or abstract, it's a noun. Here's another sentence example. Yet some fashions have no better reason. How about this one? Can you guess which words in the sentence are nouns? Between two stools you may come to the ground. Again, if it's the name of something, it's a noun. As Fowler and Aaron wrote in their book The Little Brown Handbook, whatever exists or can be thought to exist has a name. Its name is a noun. Here's your last sentence. Productive labor is the only source of wealth. For more free grammar lessons, visit grammarhobby.com.